Clean the oil pan as specified in the service literature. Apply sealing compound and insert carefully. Insert the bolts and tighten as specified in the service literature. Tighten the 2 bolts of the front torque bearing for the engine as specified in the service literature. Attach the wiring harness plug of the oil level sensor. Insert and fit the exhaust pipe. Install the temperature sensor in the exhaust pipe. Fit the control unit for the nitrous oxide sensor. Connect and lock the wiring harness plug. Connect the wiring harness plug to the emission reduction fluid injector, remove the sealing plug and attach the feed line.